I recently took the Skip the Line tour of Istanbul's breathtaking Blue Mosque, and it was an unforgettable experience. The tour allowed us to bypass the long queues and delve straight into the mosque's stunning architecture and history. Our knowledgeable guide provided fascinating insights into the mosque's construction, ornate decorations, and cultural significance. The Blue Mosque itself is a masterpiece, with its 6 minarets and mesmerizing blue tiles that seem to dance in the light. The tour also included visits to nearby attractions, such as the Hippodrome and German Fountain, which added to the overall experience. I highly recommend this Skip the Line tour to anyone visiting Istanbul. It's a stress-free way to explore one of the city's most iconic landmarks without wasting time in line. Be sure to dress modestly and arrive early to make the most of your visit. Beautiful mosque for videos and photos. If you just want to take the mandatory photo outside the mosque, you do not need a ticket to actually. Saw many people entering the mosque from the back gate. No security guards at that time. The tour guide was great and explained history in great details. Perfect duration for winter time, even showed you what's the best angle to take pics of the Blue Mosque. A guided tour of the Blue Mosque conducted by locals. We met at a cafe and went with a group of about 20 people, including people who had booked through other channels such as Get Tour Guide. It was hard to stand for about an hour and listen to the explanations, especially in the heat, but the guide was a good talker and it was very informative.